Today I'm going to talk about a couple of different types of pillows that we tend to use with the English laces particularly. Other laces can be made on them as well, it's not specific to the English laces. Firstly, we have a travel pillow. I've been specifically asked about this and how to use it with patterns. So this is a travel roller pillow, but it also comes with two blocks. Here you've got one block and another block will go in the place of the roller. Using it with a roller, I have the pattern in two pieces, the one I'm working on and then a second one which goes on afterwards when you work down to the end of it. So you work all the way down there, put the second piece on, the one at the back comes off and then moves into the front when this one has gone round. The other way, of course, is making the pattern actually fit the roller, but that does have certain disadvantages. If you put the pattern to fit the roller, the pinholes you're using every time it goes round are the same pinholes, and by the time you've gone around the roller 2 or 3 times or more, if you're making a long length, then this makes the holes in the pillow very big and your lace will then become less neat because the holes are moving about as you place the pins, and it also destroys the roller much quicker if it's a polystyrene roller. By doing it in two pieces, your pattern is moving every time by using one and then putting the second one on and then moving the first below it, so your pins aren't going into the same holes, and this makes that roller last so much longer. The other things you need to consider is a way of breaking so that when you tension the lace, the roller doesn't move forward. And this one has a pin in a ribbon, and you can move the roller freely without it, and then you pin it to stop the roller moving, and then you can actually tension it, pulling against it. As the lace comes off the back, I've got it on another small roller which then rolls the lace up and keeps it neat and tidy at the back there. This is just pinned at the back just to keep it in place. As I say, this pillow does come with a second block so you can replace the roller. Rollers are great for long lengths, such as making a long edging, something like a garter, and something that is straight. It's much more difficult if you decided you wanted to work a corner or an edging with corners. It's ideal for straight pieces, and it does make you work much faster. The second pillow I want to talk about is a block pillow. This one, as you can see, it's a 3x3 block, and then we also have half blocks at this end. These are great because when you're working you can move it down half a space to start, so you're working nice and close to you, and then as you progress you can move it up by moving the block from the back and pushing it up. Some pillows like this don't have fixed corners. This one has 4 fixed corners, and you can also put a pattern in the middle to do the corner, and it's always worth thinking when you're doing an edging how the pattern is going to fit in the corner. You can be working down here, get to your corner in this one, change direction, and then it will move up that way. If I'm buying a block pillow, I always look for the half blocks. To move it that distance is quite a big leap to move it up the pillow, and the half blocks just make it that much more comfortable to work at. Again, I'll just show you with this pattern. This is a pattern for an edging, which again you could use on the roller pillow, but you could use it on a block pillow. If I was putting a pattern like this, I wouldn't put the join on the join, I would join it like that, so that the pins are supported better as it crosses that join. I then would put the second piece on like that. Now these have been cut so that you can see the join, and it's easy to match them up. Again, as on the roller with 2 pieces, you work down the first piece onto the second piece, the pins are coming out the back here, and you then move it, the blocks move up, and you put the second piece in there. Work down onto this one, move the blocks up, Just push it up, just imagining this saved me moving it, and put the second one in there. So you've got a continuous length of pattern, and this is what happens on the roller pillow, moving 2 pieces of pricking. This makes you working much quicker. You don't physically have to move the lace on the pattern, and enables you to get a nice continuous length. I hope that's helped to explain a little bit of the uses of 2 different pillows. Some people do get a little bit confused with a roller pillow, but the main thing is to remember to use 2 pieces of pattern like this. Always have a break-in mechanism, either a ribbon pinned to the roller and to the back of the pillow, or some pillows come with a little wedge which you put in the side of the block of the roller. Enjoy making lace with the roller pillow. It saves you having to stop. The great things, as is the block pillow. The block pillow has the advantage you can use the centre block for doing a corner on and move it in both directions. Both have the uses for different purposes. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, there'll be more videos coming soon. It's just a quick one for today. Subscribe and have notifications when new ones are loaded. Let me know if you've got any comments or if there's anything else you'd like to see explained. Thanks for watching.